Thank you for attending class. To recap, chemistry is all about the study of matter and the elements that make up the world around us. Much of chemistry is dedicated to studying the reactions with these elements, but that's for later. However, to organize elements, chemists created the periodic table, ordering all 118 known chemical reactions by the number of protons they consist of. Recap my rap. Change the protons to change the element. Change the protons to change the element. So that means if the number of protons changes, you must change the symbol of the element. Now, the types of elements are placed on the periodic table based on their relation to the stair-step line. Any element touching the stair-step line, excluding aluminum, would be classified as a metalloid or semi-metal for old people like me. All of the elements to the left of the stair-step line, except hydrogen, are metals. And finally, all elements to the right of the stair-step line that do not touch it, along with hydrogen, are the nonmetals. Thank you for attending class. To recap, those Roman numbers at the top of the periodic table show which groups or elements share similar chemical and physical properties and are called families or groups. The numbering system for these groups have changed over the years, but the one I use is the American system. So remember to memorize where the alkali metals, group 1A, alkaline earth metals, group 2A, halogens, group 7A, noble gases, group 8A, and at the bottom, the lanthanide and the actinide series are on the periodic table. But it's not just the columns or groups. The periodic table is also organized by their rows, called periods. The number of the periods denote the energy level of the element. Thank you for attending class. To recap, for the American system, the main group elements are the A elements and the transition elements are the B elements. For the IUPAC numbering system, the main group elements are numbered 1 and 2, and then 13 through 18. The transition elements are numbered 3 through 12. Make sure to include the lanthanide and actinide series. Now, every rectangle on the periodic table has 3 separate parts. You have the symbol, the atomic number, and the atomic mass, or atomic mass units, the way I like to say it. The symbol identifies the element with one uppercase letter and sometimes one lowercase letter. Please write it exactly as it appears on the periodic table. The atomic number is how many protons the element has, and the atomic mass is the weighted average for all of the atoms for that element. Be careful not to use that bottom number, the atomic mass or atomic mass units, in your isotopic symbols. Once again, thank you for watching. If you like what you saw and want to support us, be sure to like and subscribe. Leave a comment and we'll be happy to answer you as soon as possible. Because we are Friend and Chem, our mission is to make learning chemistry fun, easy, and effective. So, see you next time.